name is Lihle. I'm the conferencing manager at Alpine Heath Resort. Alpine Heath is a great venue for conferencing because we are a venue that can accommodate indoor and outdoor conferences. By that I mean that our venues can sit 200 banqueting seating and 300 cinema seating. We can also do events and conferences outdoors, which would mean that we could hire out frame tents or any, if the groups are larger than that, so we can accommodate large venues. So Alpine Heath has got 100 chalets. So each chalet has got a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit. This means technically we can accommodate 300 people on site for accommodation and conferencing. Now, if we do have a group that is larger than that, then we do your frame tents, which accommodates 500 delegates. We would have to outsource the tents for you, but also we do have service providers that we work with to assist us with that. It's mostly, I would probably recommend the summertime because there's so much to do outdoors. We are in the Drakensberg. We are let's spend time outside. I mean, lots of people spend a lot of time in traffic in the cities, so it's nice when you're in the Berg to experience the outdoors. So I would highly recommend doing conferences in summer. Also, the winter is quite nice if you're somebody who likes being indoors or in a cozy space, which our conference venues do offer. So they can contact the property direct. We do have a conferencing department. Alternatively, they can contact our head office, which we do have a conferencing sales team up there, and they will direct the email or the inquiry through to us on property level.